So you can easily go ahead and manage out unattended access in AnyDesk. For that, you can go around over here onto hamburger icon and set a password. Click yes and provide permission right here and set unattended access. Let's just go around over here and type in a password right here just like this. Let's just go around over here just like this right here. And then if I were to go ahead and apply, the unattended access is set. But by default, what happens is that everything right here is allowed during unattended access. You may want to go ahead and work around with some permissions around what unattended access can actually give. So over here, you can see that if I were to go to permissions, you can see that I can go ahead and choose unattended access. And by default, you can see that almost everything is turned on. So you can enable permission profile right here, hear the device sound or control the device. You can go ahead and disable. So let's say, for example, if someone does an unattended access, then they won't be able to do all of these right here. And you can even go ahead and, let's say, for example, remove the use of file manager and so forth, or enable it out as you like. So this is what you can do right here and choose like what permission level can be provided for those having unattended access. And similarly, you can see that there's other profiles as well. So you can go ahead and choose which level of access each type of access can be provided with. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.